Soybeans pushed lower to start the week as traders kept a close eye on the political tension between the U.S. and China and the fallout after a Chinese surveillance balloon flew over the U.S. was shot down over the Atlantic Ocean. AgDay's Michelle Rook is back with more in this morning's Markets Now.
A mixed day Monday in grain and livestock futures trade. Alan Brugler with Brugler Marketing is with us. And Alan, soybeans seeing a little pressure, but it seemed like the meal market dragged that market down. Was that due to some of these China tensions, or was that just profit taking, or what?
I think it's primarily profit taking. We saw the new highs overnight, took out the highs from Friday. We're not quite to the highs we had a few weeks ago, so you do have a little bit of a head and shoulders type setup on the chart there. No sell signal yet, but a failure to make it to the long time high on the weekly. Again, I think part of it is Argentina speculation. Mostly it's profit taking, and maybe just a little bit of risk factor on the China side, but we'd think that would be mostly in the beans rather than the meal.
Yeah, well, hopefully we can get closed back above into those contract high areas sometime this week. So what about the corn market? Choppy and two-sided, and that market has been pretty sideways here. We have not been able to take out overhead resistance on the top side.
Yeah, we're actually forming what's called a Bollinger Pinch. The market's just narrowing in. It's wrestling between the old crop and new crop fundamentals. Corn export sales, of course, have been poor up to now. We do anticipate they're going to pick up second and third quarters, maybe even get up into the 800 million bushel category for the third quarter. But we're so far behind for the year that it's hard to get really bulled up here and think that you need to go above 680 or 690.
Yeah, and exports are behind pace. We got a little Japan-Mexico news in terms of flash sales on Monday, but what is the catalyst that could get us over that resistance?
Well, I think the most likely would be, in terms of short term, would be a big export sale, 2.5 million tons to somebody or some combination. Other than that, I think we're kind of waiting on the planting intentions report and the grain stocks report, and those aren't, of course, till the end of March. Those could definitely surprise the market, either in terms of old crop production or new crop potential.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us, Alan Brugler with Brugler Marketing, and we'll have more Ag Day coming up.
To talk to Alan about his ag market professional services, call Brugler Marketing and Management at 402-697-3623 or visit his website, www.bruglermarketing.com.